The first guideline for your team to consider is how your project will be divided. Let's say your team is working on a large project that has a wide range of features. All these features will eventually be tied together into one product, but your team can't work on every feature at once. In the past, this means that your team has completed features that are just waiting for the rest of the product to be finished so that they can be incorporated and put to use. In your new style of release planning, features will be made available to customers and stakeholders as they're finished, allowing them to provide feedback about what they do and don't like. Remember, you can provide the most relevant product more quickly through release planning.